Beep beep, Katie. Road rage. Beep beep. Move out of the way, Katie. You're in the way. No, you have to be a car, Katie. Be a car. Come on, make the sound effects. Come on.
Be a car.
I'm gonna race you.
Be a car. How do you be a car?
Like me.
See all these things on the window? Those are bugs.
Ooh, I can hit Katie in the face because I'm a bug. I can hit Katie in the face because she's a bug.
You already hit me earlier and you scratched my leg.
Now it's raining.
Everybody spit on Katie. What about hail? Throw rocks at her. But yeah, I'll throw pop cans at you.
See there a pumpkin at me. That's littering.
Not if it's inside the car. Then eat it. We'll turn you into a dumpster. What sound does dumpsters make?
They kill bird poops on you.
Oh, Katie, can I poop on you? Why? I want to poop on Katie because I'm a bird.
I thought you were a car.
I'm a bird now. I'm a flying bird car. Caw, caw, yeah. Ah. Look, Katie, the moon's out. You do realize where this is going, right?
Yeah.
Katie. Hi.
Hi. Demon child sits there. She's afraid of Nicholas a little.
He hugs me though when it's just me, him, and you. And your mom. How'd I forget the driver?
It's not my mom.
No! But when he hugged me, we were with your mom. Idiot. God, what time did the game start?
7:30.
Oh, okay, we have a while. Why are we here so early? I'm okay with it. Ooh, there's moo-moos! Moo-moos! Katie, be a cow! Moo! Moo, Katie, moo! Food drop. Yes, it is. I'll be a ducky. Quack, quack. Quack. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I can be a bunny. Sniffle, sniffle. Sniffle, sniffle.
77 North Brookside. Find out what's happening in Athens this weekend at athensnews.com.
It pinched me. It's a crab. My phone is a crab. It's gonna pinch you. Pinch you, Katie. Pinch you. I love you, Katie. Will you harbor my moon babies? Oh. What? What? Will you? Yes! I'm gonna wait to text Holly when we're there. She's like, are you here? So I'm just gonna wait. Look. Oh, wait. Back. No. Ah, I got a new message. What time are we getting picked up at? Okay.
10:15.
7:01.
Okay.
I don't think she's really listening.
Look, look, green.
Oh, safety! Oh! That's right, can't hit me. Gotta eat that now. Gotta eat that now.
Yeah. I don't know what picking at Katie. We're throwing cans at her. We're having birds poop on her. Bugs hitting her. Now we're kicking her.
This is snow.
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 The snow hurts.
Does it snow? Oh, I thought that was somebody's sound. So like, yes.
You know when you go through one of those automatic
No,
brushes,
no.
those things, brushes come and start flapping you?
Hurt Katie Day. Katie.
My arm hurt.
Does it?
Yeah,
Where?
there's people. Why are they here?
Why wouldn't they be here?
Because it's football. Why are they coming to watch football?
La la la.